Kenya. Muske William Ruto nigara igati ya baraikurwa se serikali na baraikurwa chinse chisco negati abananchi egochengera ritukeriga ryo gochengera ubusibore bwense ya Kenya hase entunde yemerongo etano nomo nevere kurwa segetige chigosori kianyayo haigase county ya Nairobi na buno murikito Debora Kirubo akoera soroboti rukobwatia hase nkwana y'omorai bwense niganyara ko bakago kwandra sector y'oboremi yanyara ko bakego kinasa matuka bwangoiga hase bona kwanire getambokero kyabaremi gwetani 5 milioni 5 kwerikia hase omoroberio bwekerero bunenchire muyogo chia koenekia ngoikirani bale meroberio yaba senchira ya vene na boiga sate abire nigo babeire aso ogokonya ogokinia obosogokinia rigesa na boigo gokeya amagori yechindagera.
OMORAI BW'ENSE William Ruto rituko rya rero ni gaira liebega lia bene kuraba Kenya so gochengera rituko ense ya Kenya yanyorete obusibore iryo limanyikaine buna Jamhuri Day. Ense ya Kenya nigo yanyorete obusibore bwa bene chitariki 12 cy'umutinyo 12 omwaka bwa yemo chimikianda na 53 asekerenge kanne kyo gochengera omwaka oyo kirobotari noborendi bwe chinyiti cyorosan. Ruto nigarwa liebega lia bene lyokomonyerana kurwesko uchiasenya gusira Raila Amolo Odinga asoka boyo mobwa ABARAI bari baronereto obusibore bwense ya Kenya.
Raila devoted his life to the pursuit of freedom, justice and peaceful coexistence. His courage, resilience and unwavering belief in the power of the people shaped defining chapters of our national story and inspired generations to believe that change is possible. Now, respectfully, urge all of us to join me in observing a 1 minute of silence in honor and remembrance of the Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga and honor his sacrifice, service, and enduring legacy. Tafadhali na waomba tusimame kwa dakika moja kwa heshima ya kiongozi wetu Raila Amolo Odinga.
Asenkwa naye Ruto nigaene kyo gukina kwe birengo by'oboremi emeyense asabaremi gwetania 5 milioni 5 berikire gwetera semetandao yekerero tinga kibono amaguli yechindagira agendereire gokiana.
First time in our history, over 7.2 million farmers have been brought into the single national digital database. Maize production is up, prices of flour is down, the tea sector is rising, coffee is rebounding, dairy is expanding, and the sugar industry has been reformed.
Egati echira chirio OMORAI BW'ENSE aliera Kenya nuko beke birama segeti yechigosori kianyayo negeti ya talanta kurukwa Raila Amolo Odinga International Stadium.
Hii kiwanja pia itakuwa na kifuli. Vile vile tunakamilisha ile kiwanja ya talanta pale Jamhuri. Sema ipatiwe jina la Raila Amolo Odinga International Stadium.
OMORAI BW'ENSE nigabaganiria abakenya usugu kwengia no mwaka omuya.
Mimi nachukua nafasi hii kuwatakia Krismasi njema yenye baraka na mwaka mpya wa 2026 wenye mafanikio makubwa sana. Asanteni na watakia heri, Mungu awabariki. Thank you very much and God bless you.
Debora Kirubo, Nsoko TV.